Hello everyone. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my 80-day transformation. So we started with day 1, taking the AdvoCare 180. We start with the fiber probiotic spark to start the day. Here are sample meals that I ate throughout my day. You want to make sure you're getting 5 to 6 well-balanced meals. And I discuss more of this in my nutritional workshops that I teach. So if you want some more information, comment your email below and I can get you that. I wanted to show you guys just a simple workout that I did. This was at the end of a shoulder day workout. I did some burpees with a Bosu ball. It really burns out your shoulders and feels great for after your workout. So try it out and let me know what you think after you try it out. I'd love to hear the feedback on if you enjoyed this exercise. I also did a burnout with the plank shoulder taps. Those also really burn your shoulders out after a shoulder day. I did about 20, so 10 on each side. And then from there, I went into the up downs, which work those shoulders. I did about 2 on each side and then went into plank jacks. And this is great to work your core as well. Now I would like to show you more exercises, but this video would be way too long. So this was just what I was able to capture. And then here are some progress photos that were taken after the 80 days. This is what the end of the 80 days, what I look like. Making sure you're getting your proteins, your fats, and your carbs in every meal. And if you eat this way, it's designed to help your metabolism speed up and burn its own fat. And so this is the result after 80 days. Okay, I wanted to conclude this video and let you know a little bit about myself and what it was entailed in the 80 days. And then also give my review of how it went. So here it goes. My name is Michelle. I am a mother of 2. My son is 3 years old and my daughter is about to be 1. When I started this program, I was already down to my pre-pregnancy weight before I had my daughter. Now, when I finished the program, I was actually down an extra 11 pounds. So I am down from my pre-pregnancy weight, and I'm looking to continue to build muscle, but also lean out. So this program has definitely taught me how I can do that with what I'm eating and how to exercise. And if I want to sneak in those cheat meals or those treat meals is what I like to call them, or have a sweet or a dessert or something like that, I'm able to do that with this program. And I teach that in the nutritional workshops on how you can get in those desserts or ice cream, or how you want to fit those in with your daily eating. And obviously you can't do it all the time, it's in moderation. But it can be done. If you want to enjoy a beer every now and then or a cocktail, it can be done. And you can still get the results you want. So I was looking for a program that I could do and would be easy, not a lot of thought put into it, and that's just what AdvoCare did with this 80-day program. Basically, it's broken down into 3 phases. The first being the Jumpstart, where you have the day 1 to day 10, you do a cleanse. And this is supposed to clean out your gut and get you ready for what's gonna come in the next 70 days. So you start out by taking a spark, a probiotic, and a fiber in the morning. And then in the evening, right before bed, you take a herbal cleanse tablet. And then you continue that for 10 days. And then after that, the 11 to 24 days, which is the first phase, is called the max phase. And in that phase, you're doing a meal replacement shake in the morning for breakfast, and you're eating your well-balanced meals, 5 to 6 meals a day, which you're eating every 2 to 3 hours. And you're wanting to get in the proper amount of proteins, carbs, and fats. And I teach nutritional workshops that tell you and explain how you can get in all that food in a day that your body needs to maintain or to build or to lose. And then from there, the 25 to 80 days was a lifestyle phase, which consisted of teaching you how to eat, how to exercise, and how to continue this phase once your 80 days is done. Okay, my review on the AdvoCare 180 is you need to trust the process. You need to follow the guidelines that they give you. They give you a whole booklet on what you can and can't eat. They don't give you a meal plan. This is what you need to eat: lean protein and complex carbs and these types of fats. And when you learn what you're supposed to be eating and you apply those, you'll see the results. So trust the process, because at first I wasn't really seeing the scale move, but my clothes were fitting differently. So my body composition was changing. And then by the end of the 80 days, I did see the scale drop. I also had less bloating and more energy to keep up with my 2 kids. So I would highly recommend taking that 180 and trying it out and seeing if it can make a lifestyle change for you. And in conclusion, if you want any more information or you want to follow me along on my journeys, follow me on Instagram. I'll put my tag up here, and you can follow me on Facebook and any kind of social media platform. I'll put the tag here. And if you want to see any other videos, give a thumbs up and comment below.